Hi everyone, this is Gayatri along with Abhilash and Bharadwaj. We are a part of Smart Home and our main concentration is grocery and fitness. We have taken up this project as part of our coursework under the guidance of Dr. Lee and TA Saurish and Satish. We have used web services, LSL scripts and databases as a part of our implementation. To begin with, this is how our kitchen looks like. Now if Avatar wants to check the inventory, he can move towards the refrigerator and by touching it, the door opens. And later on, when he touches the fridge, a menu pops up displaying the various categories in the inventory. When Avatar selects any category, all the available items in that category are displayed. For instance, if I click on vegetables, the results are retrieved from the database using our web services and the available items are displayed on channel 0.
Now, if the avatar wants to cook a dish, he can proceed towards the stove. The sensor is automatically invoked and the avatar can enter the dish he wants to prepare. As soon as he enters the dish, the availability of the dish is checked, and for instance, if the dish is available, then the corresponding recipe is displayed along with the calories of the dish on our prim, and the total calorie intake of the avatar is also displayed. At the same time, the inventory is also updated. If the entered item is not available, the avatar is notified about it and the grocery department is notified to update the inventory. We have also added a web browser through which the avatar can browse recipes online. If the entered item is not available, the avatar is notified about it and the grocery department is also invoked. For instance, if the avatar wants to check egg as a recipe, then you can see that the number of items present in the inventory is 1 and we are out of stock and the grocery is being updated. This is how we invoke the grocery department and the corresponding inventory is updated. We have also added one more feature to our project. Using this, the avatar can browse recipes online if we don't have that in our database. For example, if the avatar enters fruit salad, as you can see, our all recipes website is invoked and any of the dish can be selected and the recipe will be displayed.
Now using the teleporter service, avatar can be teleported to the fitness room. After teleported to the fitness room, he can calculate his height and weight, and corresponding BMI index is calculated using the web service. Now by touching the height detector, height of the avatar can be calculated. Now avatar can check his weight. Here avatar's weight is displayed. Now BMI index calculator calculates the avatar BMI index and appropriate suggestion is displayed. Now the avatar can check his previous history by just moving into the range of sensor. Once the avatar moves into the range of the sensor, the history is displayed on the prim. Here you can see his previous history displayed on the prim. To help the avatar in workouts, we are using a bot as trainer. When the bot comes into the picture with the help of Open Metaverse, the avatar can enter the type of workout. When bot performs the workout, the avatar follows the bot. For example, when yoga float is entered, bot performs and avatar follows as shown. These are the various features that we have implemented using the Second Life. And the future extensions of our project can be to make avatar perform activities more realistically, to change the avatar appearance based on the scenario, and to make the databases more dynamic. Thank you.